Hi guys! Today I have an incredible tutorial for you. So it's not even a tutorial, it's more like a behind the scene of the beauty photo shoot that I'll be making. So you know those gorgeous makeup shots, I'll tell you today how I create mine. And today to accomplish those gorgeous looks we have Brenda, our makeup and hair stylist, and gorgeous Jillian to model for us, and she's already gorgeous, so I'm sure that my beauty shots will be amazing. And later on we have one more model coming up for the second look. So yes, if you want to see how I create my own beauty shots such as this, please keep on watching.
Of lately, there's one makeup artist that I have been inspired by. I am a woman of color, so I love to play with colors. I very rarely go out with a very natural look, so I always have some color. So one of the makeup artists that I've been inspired by of lately is Danessa Marix, and I am going to be attending one of her workshops. So I'm really psyched about it, and I thought, hey, this is a good opportunity for me to try and replicate or get inspired by one of her looks. And this is the look that she has, and it's on Instagram, which is, I'll show everybody. This is the look. This is what I'm hoping to achieve on our model today. And one of the products that I'm excited to try out is Huda Beauty. So she's like the new palette that she's come out with, and it's called Sapphire Obsessions. So yeah, let's get started.
So to save some time, since Brenda is still working on the makeup, because the makeup is a very complex look, takes a lot of time. To save some time, I'll start with Jillian's hair. So we discussed the look. I'll do some braided crown with her own hair, because we're so blessed. She has such a beautiful hair. And yes, stay tuned and see how it turned out. Brenda's still working that the look would be absolutely perfect and gorgeous. And I just finished the hairstyle, so we've decided to go for something simple. So we just get the braid crown to take hair away from the face to just accentuate the makeup, but still make it kind of a little bit romantic and girly. So yes, that's what we came up with. Now Jillian is fully ready. Look at her gorgeous makeup and her hair, and I'm super excited to shoot. I'm going to start with natural light, and then I will move to Speedlight. You know, the Speedlight is very new for me, so it probably will be a learning curve. And while we're shooting, Brenda continue working on our second model, Alex. Yes, and Alex will have completely different look. And yes, I'm super excited to work with both and see what's going to get. Yeah. Should I look at longer? And kind of more to the right. Yes, like that. And let's hold that. I want to put the lights on.
This is a workout for you.
Do you have something blue? Where
no,
it's all?
I didn't.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Do I have something blue? Do I have something blue? Okay, so now I'm shooting natural light, and I have a V flat, so basically this side is bound the light, so she will be fully illuminated, and I have one more reflector here underneath to eliminate all the shadows. So she just kind of wrapped in light. Lower your chin and chin forward. Yes, that's it, and down. Now, yes. So now I'm using a Speedlight. I have a controller and one off-camera Speedlight. I use the umbrella as a modifier. It's just one light setup, but I do have all the reflectors around her. It's 105 zoom on the flash. She look now. I'm loving it. You look beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah. And chin a little bit down. Oh yes, that's great. I want you to look from your
So we're now going to try a little bit of the shimmer look, and we're going to add some sequins. So the first step is, I think we're going to have to use some eyelash glue to like hold the sequins in, and we'll be placing it shortly. So wait for it. Make sure the foundation's set in, the concealer is all done, and then we can play around with some of the shadows. And I've started off with the lip because I wanted the lip to be the base on to which to complement the colors of the eyes. So we've gone with a very bold lip, and hopefully we will be able to match that with the crease.
Now I'm start shooting with our second model, Alex, and check out her amazing rock style, edgy look, and that's what we're going for. I'm super excited, and she's rocking it already, giving me that incredible poses. I'm using the Speedlights. I'm starting with the Speedlights. I'll take a few body shots, and then Alex will going to change to the top with the open shoulders, and we do some close-up for the beauty shot. Yeah, but I want you look kind of a little bit sad and angry. What I want to do a little bit more fashion.
Okay.
So kind of more diva.
Alright.
Which I don't mind sad and angry, like it's definitely go with the style, but what I want more like a fashion. Yeah, yes. Just for the contrast of the styles. But now I decided to change the background for the white for two reasons. Reason number one, because two looks are in the same style, and that would be okay. It just I want some variety. So I'll go with the white one to get that contrast because Alex's skin is very light, so it's already high contrast, and that contrast I want to show in the background as well. So that's like high contrast. So I'll see how it will work out with the white. Working with Brenda, Jillian and Alex. They're so great. We create so many beautiful images that you've already seen and I'm super pleased with. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like that. Thumbs up to let me know that you enjoy the videos. Comment down below what you think about this. See you next time. Lots of love from Houston, Texas. Bye.